Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi Hakerdog Ying Jongpi.
Menteri Rang Ba Jong Kajelau Konrad Sangma ha ka khendai trik ubenai naitung arajar arpuai ula pentip ba ula dep banyakren bar Menteri Rang Ba Jong Kajela Haryana ba untung de jing Tohkit ha ka bayadai bat ka Jingïap Jong ka Ros Sangma bat u Samuel Sangma ha ka Jela Haryana ha gini ki khendiat sngi bala leitno kadhado bakala bo ye ki babon balang ha pedeng ka jinglingo. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Konrad Sangma uliyatho ba ulayo lat banya keren ru bat ki bahaye ngasem jong kini ki Arngut ki bala khlat no bat hadu menta na kalyang jong ki bahaye ki la pentip bakin salaj mudui de ka ejahar shakipulit halor kini ka Jingïap.
There had been a lot of concern in the media and among the public also regarding certain incidents that took place in Delhi and NCR, where two people, late Samuel and late Rosie Sangma from Dimapur, died in different circumstances, and so therefore the clarity in this was something that is being sought by the people at large. I had spoken to the family members of late Samuel, and they had told me that they'll be filing an FIR very soon. And therefore, we were waiting for those FIRs to be filed. In the meantime, I've received a representation from the Nagaland Garo Tribal Council on July 5th. And based on this, I have written a letter to Shri Arvind Kejriwal and to Shri Manohar Khattarji, Chief Ministers of Delhi and of Haryana, to look into this matter and put up an inquiry into the circumstances in which these lives were lost. So we're hopeful that we will get some positive response on this issue also.